Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring a useful and practical adverb, anymore. This word is at an A2 level, which means it's great for learners who are building their confidence with English. The meaning of anymore is simple. It means no longer or not happening now. Let's dive in and learn how to use it effectively. To start, let's look at the definition again. When you say anymore, you're talking about something that used to happen but doesn't happen now. For example, I don't live in that city anymore. This sentence tells us that you used to live in that city, but you've moved away. Another example is, he doesn't work here anymore, which shows that the person worked there before, but has stopped. Now, let's explore some synonyms. You could say no longer instead of anymore. For instance, I no longer go to that gym is the same as saying I don't go to that gym anymore. Another synonym is not anymore, which is almost identical. For example, she's not interested in that job anymore could also be she's not interested in that job not anymore. Using these synonyms can add variety to your English. Next, let's talk about antonyms. Words that mean the opposite of anymore include still and yet. For example, I still live in that city, or she hasn't quit her job yet, show that the action or state continues. These contrasts can help you see how to use anymore to describe when something stops or changes. How do we use anymore in everyday life? Imagine you're catching up with a friend. You might say, I don't watch that TV show anymore. It got boring. Or, we don't go to that cafe anymore because it closed down. In conversations, anymore is a natural way to express changes in habits, preferences, or situations. Here are a few more sentence examples to give you confidence. She doesn't eat meat anymore. She's vegetarian now. I don't see them anymore. We lost touch after college. It's not sunny anymore. It started raining. Practice using these examples to get a feel for how anymore works in context. To wrap up, today we learned that anymore means no longer or not happening now. We explored some synonyms like no longer and not anymore, and antonyms like still and yet to expand our understanding. We also saw how to use anymore in everyday situations. Thank you so much for listening to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. Don't forget to create your own sentence using anymore and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep practicing and have fun with English.